Hi, I'm Dr. Sachin, consultant pulmonologist, Manipal Hospital, Bangalore. Today we are going to talk about the men's health and how smoking impacts the men's overall health in various perspectives. Smoking, as you all know, contains a lot of particulate matters including nicotine, carbon monoxide, etc., which can not only impact your respiratory health but also can impact your aerodigestive system, your central nervous system, your cardiovascular system, and your renal systems. It not only causes cancers of the aerodigestive tract or the respiratory tract, it can also impact the various other systems of the body and overall general well-being of the people. So, smoking is one thing which is quite rampant in the people nowadays. So, we urge everybody to quit smoking by various methodologies. The first and foremost, what we suggest is by yourself with behavioral changes and lifestyle modifications, try to cut down the smoking and try to quit smoking as early as possible, or take the help of nicotine replacement therapies which are available off the counter. There are newer molecules which are now available for smoking cessation like varenicline and bupropion. So seek help from your doctors if you find it difficult to quit smoking on your own. Finally, I would like to say that tobacco thrills, but it kills. So I urge everybody to quit smoking and lead a healthy lifestyle.